Hello friends, welcome to CS Aspirants. This is Indus River, and as you know that according to Indus Water Treaty, which was took place on 19 September 1960 and procured by World Bank, these three eastern rivers were given to India. That means the control over these three eastern rivers were given to India, and the control over these three western rivers were given to Pakistan. Right? Just remember that there are so many tributaries of Indus, but these are the five important tributaries, right? So, if a question comes that when you are moving from east to west and in this direction, so what will be the sequence and what will be the order? In what order you are supposed to come across these rivers, right? You will cross these rivers, right? So, as these three are a part of India, so we remember that Satluj, Vyas, and Ravi, but here comes the problem that when first will come Chenab, then Archelam, so we don't recognize this, right? So here I have a trick for this. Let's just remember the first letter of this river, that is C for Chenab, J for Chellam, and I for Indus. That means CJI. So you can relate it to our Chief Justice of India, CJI, right? Just remember this one, that C for Chenab, J for Jhelum, and I for Indus, right? When this kind of question comes, just visualize this map and also remember that CJI, Chief Justice of India, or CJI, that is Chenab, Jhelum, and Indus, right? Okay, thank you.